Go.
grab paper, and then you just throw it,
自己加落去咯，加個發咯，係
and then you throw.
一個係呢個要另外嘅，另外嘅或者當差啲金型咁嚟嘅，整頸鏈度，即係你擺晒啲獎喺度，拎條穿穿穿高金嘅。
So you can have another throw. I just want to make it stronger. And then you're using the scissors to cut the middle part.
Just think your way to do so. But
At
this
an
one is
angle?
use the
Yeah, with the angle, and then get a rubber band.
fish wire is better.
Just take it in.
Because it will be easy break.
So this one guys, sticker paper is better.
But it's okay, just an
Yeah.
example for them to.
So I need to have two different paper to do that. This one rubber band is too big.
Use cardboard paper. Thicker.
So whatever we put it on, and then get the I'll bring this one.
And then just
Cut that video. Cut that part.
It's okay, just cut it up.
And then put it in the middle.
And then put it
And then
this one's
Maybe you need another paper.
not very good.
You're not very good. 殘咗。 No way.
No way.
No way. Use another.
Yeah.
Use another one. Yeah,